Good morning, all of you, dear students. This is class, our MSc final year. Paper is 7th A. Topic will be continues to supramolecular chemistry and supramolecular devices. Dear students, today we discussing on photo switching devices. In the according to exam, this topic will be important in next year exam. This year exam. Most switching devices studied make use of light for interconverting a molecule between two different states. Both forward and backward process may be photo-induced or one of them. Usually the reverse transformation may be thermal. Up to photo switching occurs in bistable photochemical substances that are converted into a colored form on irradiation and revert to the initial colorless or less colored state either thermally or an irradiation which light of another frequency. Such substances and materials they may form, for instance, by combination with polymeric matrices, are of great interest of optical data storage, in particular of reversible nature. They should display one is the high quantum yield for both forward and reverse process, and second will be well separated absorption band in the two state, third is the high thermal stability, four is the low fatigue on multiple cycling, and 5 is read out capability without erasing, and 6 is rapid response, 7 is sensitivity to wavelength of commonly used light sources such as red diode and green YAG lasers. A number of photochromic systems have been extensively investigated that undergoes cis-trans isomerization, which is the isomerization for indigos and azo compounds. Cleavage, spiropyrens, electrocyclic process, Fulgidas 1,2-diarylethene. For instance, cis-trans isomerizations of a thio-indigo derivatives allow the reading of pyrene excimer or monomer fluorescence. The 1,2-diethylamine dienyl ethene system presents particular attractive in conversion properties by photoreversible cyclization. Electro-photo-switching devices possess a dual mode operating resulting from different electrochemical properties in the two photo-inconvertible states. They may display both photochromism and electrochromism. They allow the photodulation of electrochemical properties as was shown to occur in photochromic dihydrozoline derivatives. Separate photochemical and electrochemical interconversion has been realized in a system containing a photoactive azo or dihydroazolene unit appended with a anthraquinone moiety. Bispiridium polyene, the carboligin, may be considered a prototype of molecule wire, allowing electron flow to take place, and push-pull polyene present very pronounced non-linear optical properties. The combination of these components with a externally triggered switching process could lead to electrophoto or optophoto switches. This may in principle be achieved by inserting into the polyenic path a bistaple on-off unit that established or interrupts the electronic conjugation by reversible interconversion between a closed and a open states, thus modulating electron conduction on the one hand and NLO properties on the other. Photomodulation of electron conduction has been realized in the compound that undergoes reversible interconversion between unconjugated, that is the 120A is the easily reduced electrochemically, whereas 120A is not. B is easily, but 120A is not. Thus, the pair 120A oblique 120B indeed represent a phototype of a switched molecular wire. Here A and B. You see electron conduction, A and B are electroactive group, and next that non-linear optical properties, D and A are electron donating and withdrawing groups. This is the 120A and this is the 120B. 121st A and 121st B. Open and closed and open and closed. Open are converted into closed and closed are converted into open. Open are in closed 365 and closed to open 600 nanometer. Similarly, 120B is process markedly enhanced, optically non-linear compared with 120A, thus displaying a photo switching NLO properties. When the diethylene system bears two phenol groups as in 120B, second group in below 122A, then dual mode optical electrical switching process in obtaining combining photochromism and electrochromism. Compound 120A is photocyclized or 120B, which can be electrochemically oxidized by extended quinone 123. The latter is photostable reduction of 123B back to 122B allows the photochemical opening to 120A with visible light. All their compounds have different absorption band. The special feature of their species are principal well situated as basis on the optical memory system with a non-destructive rad erase capacity. After photochemical writing with UV lights 120A to 122B, the information may be safeguarded by an electrical process 122B to 123. It may then be read many times and finally after electroreductive unlocking 123 to 122B. The represent ADRO. ADRO means erase direct read after wire, known as ADRO. E for erase, D for direct, R for read, and A for after, and W for wire. Process as compared to the usual WOM. This new word WRM. W for write, O for once, R for read, and M for many. Process. It is clear that compound based on the same principle as present once and bearing various functional features, that is the metal complexation, ionization groups, I energy, and electron transfer units, may be conceived, thus allowing for the reversible switching of a variety of physicochemical properties. They provide entirely at the macroscopic level to material for reversible information storage. At the microscopic level, they lead to molecule signaling process and represent optically and electrically addressable molecule switching devices. This is the figure of the molecule structure 120A and 120B and 123. Photochemical switching of the electrochemical properties conductive Langmuir Block-Gate film result from photo-induced conformational changes produced by an azobenzene unit. Photo switching devices represent means the generate photo-induced electrical signal, whereas controlled back from forth switching between two thermally stable states in usually south. Fast switching is the interest for the design of molecular electronic components operating on very short time scale. Long-lived photo-induced charge separation is required for artificial photosynthetic investigation. Conversely, vectorial short-lived charge separation is desired for fast transfer and switching electronic signal. The numerous studies concerning photo induced much value in this respect, even if it was often long-lived process that were sought. Picosecond optical switching in a bis porphyrin donor receptor donor molecule has been described in this section. DPSA, D for donor, A for acceptor, and D bridge A trends displays similar properties. Systems presenting very long range photo induced charge separation allow in principle of the oriented transfer of electronic signal over long distance. For instance, insertion into membrane represents a means of generating photo-induced transmembrane signal. Such switching systems operate much faster than photochromic species and contain no moving parts. Now next topic, electro switching devices. This is also like as the devices and supramolecular devices. You complete this by the help of PDF. And now some topic extra, only second, electrostatic devices, and this is also supramolecular devices. This you see the here the M to L2 to electron, remove 2 electron, then 2 Ml2, and gain 2 electron, then electron reaction is backward, then M to L2 here M is the Cu and L is the quaterpyridine, L for the ligand is the quaterpyridine. The electro switching of double helix single, you see here figure number 31. Electro switching of a double helical single strand interconversion between a double helical dinuclear copper second complex and a signal strand copper second complex in sequential electrochemical process. And this is also a figure, generation of photoionic signal by photocleavage of a macro bicyclic cation cryptates. The cations can be any one of those forming a cryptates. Gas toast molecule, supramolecule. Mechanical switches process. This is the process via mechanical. Here you see that the P and D and A after A2 and S. Now this is complete. Supramolecular devices and supramolecular unit is also has been completed. Then 7th A paper is been completed today. So you prepare your notes the help of PDF and complete your assignment by the help of PDF and help of the lecture, and continuously to your study, because your exam will be soon in approximate April to May, and practical also. So use your time, punctual your time, and continuously studies. Stay home. I think college will be start on 18 of January. Then maybe practical work in our college we will be starts on that days. Thank you so much.